Hey everyone, Joseph with Greywater Green. Today we're going to talk about permitting for shower water. So, talk about shower water because laundry water is basically a zero permit. They just let you do it. Shower water now has some rules and regulations. Silly, but they are there for our protection. First, size matters. Size, if it's anything 250 gallons and above that you're pushing out to the Greywater field, that's like a family of 6 or 7. Then you're going to need a higher permit, which is $2,400 here in Los Angeles County, as compared to $300 permit. The source, by default, whenever it comes from shower, you automatically have to get a permit. Once again, I think it's silly, but we have to let the government catch up to us. So, and now it's $300 basic rate for a permit. Pressurization is if you have a Greywater system and you're collecting that water and you're pushing it out to sprinkler systems. Those sprinkler systems are pressurized, so they want you to make sure you're not cross-connected into the public water system. It's very dangerous. Aquifer pipe is a non-pressurized system. You're pushing the water out to the aquifer pipe and then it's just leaching out into the field. So it automatically has a lower permit price. And then holding. Holding is duration. The systems that we show on the website are pass-through systems where you're collecting the water and it's passing straight out to the landscape. There are other systems out there that will collect the water and will hold it and then push it out into the landscape. So just make sure you're never holding your Greywater for over a 24-hour period. Just let it just flow through. I hope that helps out. Look forward to our other videos. Talk to you soon.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.